Good afternoon, everybody. It is your boy Chart Nerd back here today with some more Algorand technical analysis. We're looking at the monthly time frame right now, trying to get a bit more of a zoomed out perspective. As I've said to you guys many a time, we like to keep zoomed out. When in doubt, zoom out. Okay, when you're too far in looking at the 1 hour and the 4 hour, it's very hard to kind of get a macro scale of trend in regards to which direction a project may be moving. So straight off the back here, okay, you can see I've said in previous videos, Algorand had this wave 1, this wave 2, this wave 3, wave 4 pullback, and a wave 5. We had 5 impulsive waves in this massive bull run leg for Algo, where you came in and put the all-time high here at $2.80 roughly. Since this point, okay, we have been in a large correction. Okay, we have pulled back in a large ABC, I do believe. So you've had this A wave down, you had this B wave into the monthly 20, got rejected and completed this C leg. Okay, it's quite a steep ABC, but you can see that there's 1, 2, 3 waves, and potentially right now this is the low, and we're looking to break out. So one thing that's really bullish here for Algo, okay, we was looking for a close above 33 cents, okay, on many time frames I've said in previous videos, and you could see that on the monthly here, these two candles, okay, were needed to be broken, and we did get a close in September at a price of 35 cents, and since then you can see, okay, you've closed, opened up above that. In October you've closed, where did we close the other day? 35 cents again. Okay, so what's happening is we have started to sort of move up this impulsive stairway, and if you can continue to hold this and tackle above this 41 cents, okay, even on the monthly time frame, you're going to have larger breakout targets moving forward. So what we're looking at here, I think potentially on the monthly, if we're going to get a Fibonacci on from our low, okay, down at 28 cents, we're going to retrace back up to on our previous resistance on the monthly, okay, our previous other local high. So you had this A, this was your B wave, this is the wave we're currently retracing to from this low. So what you're trying to do now is work your way up the stairs, trying to get back up to 98 cents in the long run, okay, which is back up to this previous point where we got rejected and actually created this C wave that we're trying to bounce off from right now. Okay, so just to clear that up a little bit more, okay, you've had this A, this B, this C. Right now the C low is basically hopefully in. Okay, I keep using basically, I'm sorry for my alliteration on that. I keep using it. Hopefully the lows are in right now. Okay, you've got this breakout. All we need to do is come up and retest this area of resistance. Okay, and this is potentially where I'm looking for Algorand to go next. If we start to come up and hold support here, and you continuously hold support, I am going to look for a retest of this monthly EMA, and that sits at around 60 cents at the moment. Well, to be bang on, it's actually at 65, but as this starts to creep down, okay, and this price tries to sort of draw up towards it, I do think you're going to run into this as very, very strong resistance. And equally, you've got this previous wave 1 high of this Elliott wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 back in September 2020 that we ran into as resistance. So you can see if we do start to come up to this level, and equally you've got the monthly 20 EMA creeping on your head, we could be looking at a 52 cent Algorand before we know it, okay, within the next few months. Now, what's to say that Algorand can't do that? Okay, because when you've come down to certain areas and certain lows like here, okay, and you had this resistance, these two candles, once you started to close above that, you had this massive insane move here in this wave 1 high, okay, and from this point you actually pumped up 224%. So I'm not saying that you're going to do that now, but you have sort of got these bottom out candles here that are indicating, okay, right now this is an engulfing candle. You've engulfed the previous month, September engulfed August, and you're looking to get this sort of continuation trend where you're looking to break out. So if you do start to see something like this holding support, for me, the next target, okay, in the next couple of months could be at 52 cents, and that could provide us with a long opportunity from current price of around 44%. At that point, I would expect resistance. Okay, I would expect resistance. As I've said, you'd be running up to resistance back in August 2020, where we came down from the Corona dump lows. You had the wave 1, you had a pullback to higher, you formed a higher low than the local low bottom. Okay, and you started to break out resistance. When you did, this confirmed your uptrend. So right now, all we need to do is potentially, if we start to come up to this level and we meet this EMA, the monthly 20 EMA, and we start to get rejected and come back, as long as we put in a higher low, just like we did here in this retracement up, pull back, higher low. Right now, if we have this retracement up, pull back for a higher low, okay, you're looking for the breakout, and this is where the trend starts, okay, and you would be then working in a wave 1, a wave 2, a wave 3, just like you did here. You had a wave 1, a wave 2. Once you broke resistance, that was confirmation of wave 3. So potentially we could have wave 1 into the monthly 20 EMA, pull back for a higher level of support, and then look to break out and get in confirmation of the wave 3, of which I would expect you would then run up to this technical target that I was looking at before, of this A, B wave high, of an ABC correction of these lows that we've now formed. So I hope that makes sense to you guys. I'm sorry if it doesn't, but I will try and just, I will run through that one more time. Okay, so you had this wave 1, this wave 2, this wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. Okay, and from this point here, you've had a B into resistance, a C wave, and right now, potentially, okay, if you can start this wave 1 up to resistance, which we was looking at 52 cents, okay, potentially you could come back for 33, hold support, you'll be getting your wave 3 back up to this B wave high of this A, B, C, retracement to this B wave high. At that point, come back for another retracement, looking to hold support, and get your 5th wave, where you're basically starting to work your way through these charts here. Okay, and you can see that you're working in waveforms back up to where you came from, providing optimal opportunity points. So what we need to see for confirmation here, okay, is if we're going to go look at the weekly time frame, we need to see a break above this 20 EMA, because the next point of contact is the 55. Okay, and as that's creeping down, that would be a lovely area to sort of take some profits on if we do break through this 20 EMA, and that ties up with that 52 cent area, I think it was. Yeah, so you'd be running up into previous support, looking to turn it into resistance. And again, in the near short term, on the weekly time frame, if we get a fib on from our local low down here at 28 cents, okay, what we're doing is we're retracing back up to this 41 right now, and you can see that what's happened over the past week is we actually closed bang on 35 cents at the 0618. Right now we're opening above it, and we're looking to push. If you could start to see the breakthrough of this 0618 target here, and we do maintain to hold support and break through this 20 EMA, we retest this 41 cents. If you are doing something like this, you come down higher low, you're retracing, you're basically forming a lovely level of ascending support, and as I've said, you've got this sort of ascending triangle. Okay, so once you tackle 41 cents in the near short term, 52 is the target. Okay, so this gives more confluence. I was saying on the monthly, we're looking to retrace back up to, I think it was 52 cents, wasn't it? And I said, yeah, it was around this sort of area, this previous resistance, okay, of this wave 1, wave 2, okay, we met resistance here. Again, if you start to come up now and run up to this monthly 20, as that's coming down, 52 cents is the 1618 target if we break out of 41. So all we need to do to get this confirmation to run back up to this monthly 50 EMA, okay, and equally the weekly 50, the monthly 20 EMA, sorry, to get confirmation that we are trying to reach this target and the monthly 20, all we need to see happen is for Algo take out this 41 cents, okay, and if you do take that out, I think you're on your way to that weekly 55, which ties up with the 52 cents as that's coming down. So it's just giving a bit of correlation here, guys. Okay, you've got this low, we're retracing to this high, you come up here, if you start to tackle 41 cents, it's your long opportunity up to 52, where we're expecting to meet resistance, pull back maybe for a larger, okay, have this large wave 1, start to pull back to support, back down to 30s, the mid 30s, hold support, look to coil up and break out. Okay, so yeah, guys, that's a quick update moving forward for Algo. Things are still looking really positive. We're holding ascending levels of support. You've got 41 cents as resistance. If you start to take out this weekly 20 and you start to see a close above 41 cents, that's your long signal. Okay, equally, if you do start to come down and you lose this ascending level of support and you put in a lower high and get rejected by this 20 EMA, do look for a retest back down to the 28 cents of where you basically came from. And at that point there, I think Algo will come into making a decision. But as I've said, we're holding beautiful ascending support right now. Things aren't looking too bad at all, and we could be looking to get our neck out of the woods here with an impulsive move, a higher low corrective move. So you got a low, a higher low. Right now, if you take out this high and put in a higher high, okay, things are looking lovely, and you're basically working your way up these stairs through these charts, looking to push back to that 52 cent area that we're trying to get to. So for me, in the near short term, guys, over the next space of a couple of weeks to a couple of months, I think we should look out for this red 55 retest on the weekly if we break through the 20 and tackle 41 cents. On the monthly, it would tie up with the monthly 20 EMA, where you're starting to curl up here, come back for a large, you've formed a low, you've got this impulsive wave 1, come back for support on previous resistance, look for the breakout, okay, hold support again, and then this is where you're starting your retracement back up to the all-time highs on the monthly time frame. So I hope you enjoyed today's content, guys. If you did, please do like, comment, and subscribe. From Chart Nerd TA, until next time, peace out.